was like, it's not that far. We can come help you either way.
Okay.
I have faith in you. You're going to do great.
You know what? They're going to go anyway because they know what to do.
Yep. Come on.
Oh, there's the baby looking all over his face.
Come on.
Looking cute. Looking cute.
Let's go.
That is the most beautiful colored cow. Right? I thought really looked like the horses rather than a cow.
Come on. Hey. Come on.
Oh, there you go. Okay, when he does that, what you can do also, you can cheat. You can reach down with your left hand or reach down with your right hand. Reach down on the reins and just pull.
Okay.
Right to your belly button or your hip.
All right. Come on.
That's a little cheater.
Come on.
No, I didn't tell you, sorry. There you go. The hardest part is getting out who sees hay and cows, so he gets distracted.
He wants to do that again. Come on.
There you go, perfect. You got the idea.
Come on.
You know, it's funny because my horse, we had it at my house,
Come on.
and every time my dad would come to ride, it would give him a problem. She knew that he was heavier than we were because we were little.
Yeah.
But she also knew he knew enough that he was going to go, so she put up the fight anyway.
Well, it's funny because I tell people, I said, well, they're a lot like kids. They're going to test
Come on.
the boundaries.
Come on.
Get out of the gate, they're going to test
Come on.
right feet.
Let's
They're
go.
gonna try- Go ahead, Enoch, give him a kick.
Come on.
There you go. He's like, I don't want to go.
He doesn't. Come on.
Oh, yeah, okay. This is okay.
Hey.
Let me get out of the gate.
Come on. Let's
Come
go.
on, baby. There you go. We're going to try. Usually they're bad when they first get out of the gate. They can fine after that. Usually, knock on wood.
Come on. Come on.
Oh, they're cute. So good.
Hey, we stretch. Come on.
It's my job. It's what I live for. Like, are you sure? Good.
Come
It's
on.
my job.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go.
If you want, you can reach back and give him a tap on his butt.
Come on.
The reins.
He's still trying to fight me.
He's like, can we just go over there? There looks like there's food over there, guys.
Come on.
Okay, let's get it started.
You know what?
Come
Go
on,
ahead of me, Greg.
Come on.
we can shove you in between if you want.
All right.
At least for the time being until we get you started, and then we
Okay.
can shove you behind.
Come on.
Come on, Ranger.
We're all going.
Come on.
You're going to go.
Like, are you sure? Are you sure?
Come on.
You're going.
Yeah. Harder.
Harder.
Yep. You can give it a harder.
Come on.
There you go. You gotta let them know that you're boss. My motto is, kick them hard once they know.
Really, don't
Come on.
be afraid, Greg, because it won't hurt them.
Honestly, I would never do anything to hurt a one. I swear.
Yeah. Well, they do have a little stubborn streak in them, I imagine, huh?
And these guys, they do this every day, so they know how to use people, they know how to, they know how to work the system.
Gotcha. Yeah.
So, where are you guys from?
We're from North El Monte, kind of the Arcadia area there. We live right across the rock quarry from that industry, or the Irwindale Speedway. You know where that is on the 605? Yeah, it was about a 25-mile drive to get here. It wasn't bad.
How was traffic?
It was great. We just came down the 10 to the 71 and shot right over.
I was like, sometimes the 10 is horrible, though.
Yeah. Well, hopefully we were figuring going east was going to be better than trying to go west.
True.
Come on.
I live off the 15, I live in North Hill.
Okay.
Oh
No.
my goodness, just like the 91. Oh,
Yeah, that's a parking lot.
oh yeah. Welcome to LA, I guess.
How you doing, huh?
I'm doing fine. I was like, she's in love. We just have to worry about you.
Yeah.
I'm not worried about her in the least.
One of those things you really kind of don't forget.
True.
I don't think I'd want to go racing like I used to with my friends, but
Right?
we had a riverbed right behind us.
Okay.
The 605 riverbed, yeah.
All over the place.
I live in North Hill. There's a riverbed in North Hill, and we ride everywhere.
Come on.
As you go up the hill, you're just going to lean forward just a little bit. It helps them out.
Okay.
There you go. Like, I'm fine being in front. I don't like being in
Well, your horse is doing a little business there, Linda. I got that on film.
I like to tell the kids, I'm like, oh, he's losing his stuffing. Don't worry.
That's great.
I tell him, like, stick your hand out quick. That's your souvenir.
No, 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 no.
Take a little of that home with you.
You're like, I'll take the horse, but not the other stuff. So you used to ride from what age to what age?
Probably about 9 to 13, that's what kept me in check. And I had my horse right on my property then. But now they're eliminating it. There's only one street left that basically actually takes me to the river that doesn't allow horses anymore.
How's that?
It really is, because that was my growing up period, you know, and I just really had a ball.
Horses kept me on the public there. I'm 25. I have a pretty boring life.
Come on.
Not boring.